In this video, we are going to revise short vowel sound. What are the short vowel sounds? A, E, O, A. Now let's read the question. Circle the correct short vowel sound for each picture. This is a bug. Bug. In the word bug, we are getting the short A sound? No. Short A sound? Yes. Bug. Bug. So which vowel sound A? Vowel U sound A. Bug. So circle vowel U. This is boy. Boy. In the word boy, we are getting the short E sound? No. Short O sound? Yes. Boy. Boy. So which vowel sound O? Vowel I sound O? No. Vowel O sound O? Yes. O. Boy. So circle vowel O. This is pin. Pin. In the word pin, we are getting the short E sound? No. Short E sound? Yes. Pin. Pin. So which vowel sound E? Vowel E sound E? No. Vowel I sound E? Yes. Vowel I sound E. E. Pin. So circle vowel I. This is a sad face. Sad. Sad. In the word sad, we are getting the short A sound? No. Short A sound? Yes. Sad. So which vowel sound A? Vowel A sound A. So circle vowel A. This is jet. Jet. In the word jet, we are getting the short E sound? No. Short E sound? Yes. Jet. Jet. So which vowel sound E? Vowel E sound E. E. Jet. So circle the vowel E. This is bat. Bat. In the word bat, we are getting the short O sound? No. Short A sound? Yes. Bat. So which vowel sound A? Vowel O sound A? No. Vowel A sound A? Yes. A. Bat. So circle vowel A.